Indiana Governor Mike Braun signed a bill into law that provides property tax relief for Hoosiers, and this signing now comes just hours after he announced his plan earlier today to make Indiana healthy again. Our State House reporter Emily Longnecker has been following both issues today.
And she joins us live from the State House tonight. Emily?
Hi, Ann and Felicia. SB 1, that's the property tax bill. It passed out of the Senate around 12:30. It was a long night of discussion. This is a huge bill, 351 pages long. It cuts property taxes for most homeowners. It limits the growth of future bills, and it also has schools sharing referendum money with charter schools. The governor has called it historic tax reform, but he did not want to take any questions about it earlier today when he launched a new program. That's his Make Indiana Healthy Again program. He signed 9 executive orders today that are the basis for that program. The governor said the orders reflect a new approach to health policy in Indiana to empower Hoosiers to live longer and healthier lives. 4 of the executive orders deal with SNAP benefits, more commonly known as food stamps. SNAP is how the government helps feed people who can't afford food. Among those executive orders, one that overhauls work requirements and also reinstates income and asset verification to get SNAP benefits.
SNAP is intended to help our neighbors who have fallen on hard times, but we also need to encourage their long-term self-sufficiency so that they can thrive and benefit in their communities.
Another order removes candy and soft drinks as items families who use food stamps can buy.
More SNAP money is spent on sugar drinks and candy than on fruits and vegetables. That changes today.
The National Confectioners Association pushed back, calling the policy misguided and not needed, saying candy makes up only about 2% of SNAP purchases. According to the NCA, families who use food stamps and those who don't have the same candy buying habits. Other executive orders call for studies on the effects of dyes and additives in food, as well as the connection between diet and chronic diseases. There's also an order to establish the governor's fitness test and school fitness month. Another order cracks down on Medicaid eligibility errors. The governor's plan was applauded by Secretary Kennedy and Dr. Oz.
This one really broke the bank on 9 executive orders, all designed to improve our farms, our fitness, our food, our education, our health.
And the kinds of things that are in these executive orders will help reduce that incidence of chronic disease, because it turns out that about the most patriotic thing you can do these days is to get healthy.
In the audience, Hoosiers like this health coach said she agreed with what she heard.
It was just reverberating back to us everything we pour into our clients every day, that you can change it, and there is hope. And Secretary Kennedy also said he will be encouraging other governors across the country to follow Indiana's lead when it comes to rolling out plans in their states to make their citizens healthier. Ann, Felicia?
All right, Emily, thanks so much. Now, Indiana Congressman Andre Carson is reacting to the governor's announcement today, and he did so in a statement that he sent to 13 News, saying in part, quote, "I welcome any efforts from our state to improve nutrition and healthy eating, but further restricting access to Medicaid and SNAP is the wrong way to go."